Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the hills, there lived a man named Daniel. He was a simple farmer who had a loyal dog named Jack. Jack was not just a pet. He was Daniel's companion, confidant, and protector. Every morning, Daniel and Jack would go to the fields together. With Jack running around, chasing birds, and ensuring no harm came to his master. Daniel's love for Jack was immense, and he always made sure to feed him and take care of his needs. But as time passed, Daniel's health started to deteriorate. One evening, after returning from the fields, Daniel collapsed. His family rushed him to the village doctor. But there was nothing they could do. Daniel's condition worsened, and he passed away that night, leaving Jack alone and heartbroken. The next morning, Jack went to the fields as usual, waiting for Daniel. He looked around, but his master was nowhere to be found. Jack wandered through the house, sniffing the air, searching for him. But all he could sense was emptiness. As the days went by, Jack refused to eat or drink. He would sit by Daniel's side of the bed, looking out the window with longing eyes, hoping Daniel would come home. The villagers tried to comfort Jack, but no one could fill the void left by Daniel. Jack's health began to decline. One evening, as the sun set, Jack walked to Daniel's grave and laid down next to it. With one final whimper, he closed his eyes, knowing he had been the most loyal companion a man could ever ask for. Jack's devotion touched the hearts of everyone in the village, and his story became a symbol of true, unbreakable loyalty. If you liked the story, then like and subscribe to the channel.